Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do dual SIM settings in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to Internet and Network, and here click on SIM card and mobile network. You can manage two SIM cards here, SIM 1 and SIM 2. Click on SIM 1 and you can change SIM name, number, and other things like roaming, app data usage, preferred network type, automatically select network, access point names, Vivo LTE, Wi-Fi calling, carriers video calling. Okay, if you want to change SIM name, click here and just change it to anything. Here I would like to change it to Mingi. So SIM 1 is now Mingi. Okay, click on number. You can edit number here. If this is the original number, keep it on, so it will be useful for you to find out your own number. Okay, then if you want to turn on roaming, just turn on this button, otherwise turn it off. Click on app data usage, and here you can select data usage. You can measure how much data are actually spent. Okay, so all those data are available here. And then preferred network type, here you can select from 4G or 5G or 3G or 3G only or 2G. Okay, then automatically select network, just turn it on, because your SIM network itself it will be detected and it will be stay connected. Click on access points name. You don't need to change it. This will be automatically selected. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize SIM card 1. In the similar way, click on SIM card 2, SIM 2, and you can do the similar settings like SIM 1. Okay, first change the SIM name. Here I would like to change SIM name to Mickey, and all other things are the same like SIM 1. So you can customize both dual SIM in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.